students. Today we will solve the exercises. Does he remember? Comprehension. Answer the following question. So for this you will open your notebook where you have finished your assessment of the last chapter after composition. Does he remember? Here you will write words to know which are given on your page. Exercises. Comprehension. Answer the following question. A. What did Mike see when he arrived at the gate? When Mike arrived at the gate, he saw a sign that said, "Beware of dogs." Give two reasons why Mike did not climb over the gate. Mike didn't climb over the gate because he knew that the sign might be true and because he was too old. Had Mike been to the house before? How do we know? Yes, he has been to the house before. We know this because it says that he was thinking about all the occasions he had visited this very house, and he remembers the Nabil's dogs and puppies, the dogs as puppies. You can see the full view, and you should write in a same neat way after drawing the margin line, one finger margin line. What kind of room was Nabil sitting in? Nabil was sitting in a large dark living room. How did Marmaduke react to Mike? He reacted angrily to Mike. As soon as he smelt him. How did Mike leave the property? Mike left the property by running out and leaping over the gate. Now, I will show you. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. So, after discussing, these are actually points to be discussed. So, there is no need to write. Answer the following question with reference to context. Can you be sure? This is the part 2 of comprehension A. After drawing the line, you will mark part 2. Answer the following question with reference to context. The context is this. Can you be sure? Asked Mike. To whom did the Mike address these questions? To Nabil. What is Mike trying to make sure of? He is trying to make sure that Marmaduke does not remember how Mike used to worry him. Does the answer satisfy him? No, he asked the question again to double check. These are the 3 questions from the first line, and on your book, page number 19, in part B is also given. Nabil acted just in time. What made Nabil act in time? Marmaduke leapt forward in an attempt to attack a Mike. This made Nabil to act in time. What did he do? He threw himself on the top of dog, pinning it firmly to the floor, slowing it down. Was this action satisfactory? No, this action worked temporarily as the dog was very big and powerful. Learning about the language. Now you can see on your reading book. This question is done. So on your notebook, this is learning about the language, but B part is working with word. Copy and complete the following. You will find these words in the passage, but try to do without looking. Mike make Mike made sure to keep close to the old man, Dash staying a step behind him. Determinedly staying a step behind, but he was not completely convinced that this was true. So you will write these words on your book as well. C part. The heavy gate dash as it was swung open with some difficulty, creaked, squeaked and screeched. The word is written on the book. You can watch it. The dark from leapt into the air, urgently dashed to get off the sofa. The scrambling. Which of the following words are incorrect? Correct the mistakes. First word is collapsed. Obviously. Cacophony. Annoyed. There was a mistake. It's corrected. ANNOYED. Apparent. Illuminated. ILLUMINATED. Ferocious. It sounds C. Scrawled. So this is also has been done for you, and you will do it on the reading book as well at the page number 20. Now the next is learning about language punctuation. Without looking at the story, copy the passage below. Put in the correct punctuation marks as you do so. When you have finished, read what you have written to see if all makes good sense. So this is actually in the jumbled form. It will be better if you will do by your own. But for your help, because it's online study, for your help, I have solved for you. You can see it once. I will read. I have marked punctuations. Learning about language punctuation. Can you be sure? Asked Mike. Sure of what? Asked Nabil. That's he is asleep. You can hear him snoring, can't you? No, whispered Mike. Are you sure that he doesn't remember me? So, this is done for you. You can use capital letter, full stop, commas and question mark where there is required to make the complete sense. Our next topic is in learning about language, verbs and adverb. Make list of verbs and adverb in the following passage. Where there is written we, they are verb. Where there is written a, that is adverb. Make list. When they came is verb. Out of church they gazed, gaze is verb. Wonderfully, wonderingly, that is adverb. At the sword. Round, this is adverb. Round the stone they found these beautifully written letter of the gold. Found and written, these are verb. Beautifully, this is adverb. Who pulls out this sword from this stone will be king of all the brain. Pulls, verb, out, adverb. Will, verb, be, verb. And all the men tried hard to pull out the sword, but no one could move it at all. Tried, verb, hard, adverb, pull, verb, out, adverb, cloud, verb, move, verb. Now, find the 6 interesting verb and 6 interesting adverb in the chapter. Does he remember? And write it over there. You should write all these things on the book and this also on the book. No need to write it again in the notebook. Our next topic, most interesting You can hear him snoring, can't you? Using the correct question tag is important if you want to speak good English. This is very good topic. Question tag. One thing I'm going to tell you difference between question and question tag. Question is that, like, if I'm saying you are playing cricket, so you will make the question, are you playing cricket? The questions are made by placing helping verb at the starts and putting question mark at the end. This is all about the question. But question tag actually is used in the conversation. There are some rules to use question tag. Let's see. He's tall. No. He's he's tall, isn't he? It actually is the way to confirm the statement which you are giving. The question tag are mainly used in two ways: to get someone involved in a conversation or to encourage a response to seek agreement. Two main purpose of question tag: to get someone involved in the conversation. Mainly when we teach online or when we teach live to you, we ask, isn't it? आपने किया? Have you do it? Can you do it? Can you? तो ये सारी चीज़ें क्वेश्चन टैग हैं and they are so good for good conversation. Sheila was in an awful mood, wasn't she? अब आपने शीला के लिए शी यूज़ कर दिया और वॉज को वैसे कर दिया. इज़, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, हैज़, हैव, ये सारी चीज़ें तो उसमें आप यही वाला हेल्पिंग वर्ब वॉजंट के साथ यूज़ कर देते हैं. शीला वॉज इन एन ऑफुल मूड, वाजंट शी? फॉलोइंग intonation at the end. To confirm information, the question is usually genuine, but confirmation is so. I did pay him last week, didn't I? Rising intonation at the end. Okay. यहाँ पे intonation fall कर रही है, यहाँ पे rise कर रही है. There are expectations. Let's do it now. Shall we? जब भी let आए आपने उसका आंसर shall we के साथ देना है. I am taller than you, aren't I? Use plural form aren't after I. जब जैसे ही I आ जाए, I और I am के बाद आपने प्लूरल फॉर्म लिखना है. राइट योर नेम हेयर. वुड यू? यूज़ विल वुड आफ्टर इम्पेरेटिव. जैसे ये इम्पेरेटिव हुक्म दिया गया, अपना नाम लिखो. ड्रिंक वाटर, पानी पियो. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस, इसमें कुछ करने का कहा जाए, उसके लिए आपने क्या करना है, विल और वुड यूज़ करना है. लेट के साथ शैल यूज़ करना है और प्लूरल फॉर्म के साथ आरेंट आफ्टर आई एम. Your teacher will read some statement, write them and add a question tag at the end. Don't forget the question mark. Actually, when in the class, inshallah, your teacher will read, but here I want to tell you these question tags are written at the page number 41. Try to solve it by your own. Inshallah, very soon I will send you a short video clip of page number 141 of the question tag. This also work will be done in the reading book. When you have written all the statement and tags, check that tags are correct. फिर आपने उनको चेक करना है कि आर दे करेक्ट. विद अ क्लासमेट चूज़ वन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट और रियल, वही जो टैग आपने बनाए उन्हीं को आपने चूज़ करना है और क्लासमेट्स के साथ रीड करना है. बिकॉज दिस एक्टिविटी इज़ वेरी मच हेल्दी for the conversation. So please learn how to make the question tags. And the last and final activity of the chapter is composition. Draw a picture of Marmaduke at the window. Write a paragraph about him. Draw with lead pencil. There are some suggestion, recommendation. You can use Google Sketches and drawing from Google's. So to make your drawing interesting, so this was all about your assignment of English till further notice. So prepare this assignment very neatly, learn it, and learn the assessment for the online. May Allah give you very good success. So for class 5 this English assignment is completed. Inshallah very soon we will start the next subject and you will follow it. Complete the assignment and send it to get it checked by the teacher. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.